Hey guys, welcome to another video on just being Ray around the home. Today we are getting rid of all of our fall decor and we are redecorating and cleaning to all of our Christmas decor. If you are new to this channel, you can click that subscribe button down below. My name is Ray. This channel is about cleaning videos, decorating videos, things around the home, things of that nature. Got a lot of activities that are coming up in December, so we'll be vlogging all of those activities and you can see them on that channel. Also have these things we're taking down and these things we're taking down. We're also going to do the doorway and possibly the kitchen. I can't remember everything I have for the kitchen. I might have to actually buy some more stuff for the kitchen, but stay tuned. Watch, subscribe, like, comment. Really? Well, that's it for my video for decorating the living room. I'm actually going to do a separate video for the dining room and the bathroom. I don't know if I'm going to do the videos together or make them 2 separate videos yet. But I still have that to come. So you guys will see that. Stay tuned. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to see more. Thanks for watching, guys.